Now, without any further ado, I would like to call upon the visionary who laid the foundation today for the future of the whole planet, for driving the whole planet towards clean energy, none other than the Honorable Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan sir.
Wonderful moment. Something historic is being created, and we're all party to something like that. I extend my warm greetings to all my cabinet colleagues and respected members of Assembly and Parliament, as well as the Managing Director of Greenko Group, Shri Anil, and other key officials of Greenko Group, and as well as officials of Government of Andhra Pradesh, and other invitees as well. At the outset, I like to convey my appreciation for this initiative of this Greenko Group for setting up the world's largest integrated renewable energy storage project in Kurnool district. In fact, 5,230 megawatt of long duration energy storage project, delivering cost-effective, firm, flexible and round-the-clock clean energy project. In fact, the beauty of this project is it envisages clean energy around the clock. It's a mix of pump storage, it's a mix of wind power, it's a mix of solar together. During the non-peak hours, a certain component of the solar and the wind is used to pump the water back into the reservoir to utilize the water during the peak hours. So this is a project which envisages around-the-clock renewable energy generation. In fact, what we see today would stand out for the future of this country. In fact, what Andhra Pradesh today is showcasing will be the triggering point for this entire country to follow in the days to come, when the usage of fossil fuels would take a back seat and renewable energy would take a front row seat. In fact, this pump storage capacity that we speak of, which is around 1680 megawatt, combined with a solar capacity of 3000 megawatt and a wind capacity of 550 megawatt, all put together with an investment of $3 billion, you're talking about this capacity of 5,230 megawatt coming up here. In fact, this would decarbonize the economies going forward. There are no limits to what can be produced through green energy. We're talking about green hydrogen, we're talking about green ammonia, we're talking about ArcelorMittal now coming up with green steel. And ArcelorMittal is also part of this endeavor, what is being built here, wherein they're taking around about 250 megawatt of firm power and around about 1000 megawatt of renewable energy is being created exclusively for that purpose to supply firm power of 250 megawatt in another state. So this would be a game changer in the days to come, and Andhra Pradesh state offers an exclusive opportunity for many of them who are interested in green power, who are interested in decarbonizing the economies. Our topography is such that we have a capacity of more than 33,000 megawatt available. So this is going to be one project which would be showing the light for this entire country how green power could be generated. And I wish Anil and his entire team all the very best. Not only have they conceived this, but actually they're showing it to the world that this can actually be developed. This can actually be done. This is something incredible. All my best wishes for the entire team, particularly Anil, for this grand endeavor. And any support from our end, from the state of Andhra Pradesh, we would be extending you all the support that you require, and we are available to you. Just keep that in mind, and our support will always be there. I wish you once again all the very best. Thank you.